Welcome back. Today we're going to do anti-aging face serum. I am a believer of taking care of our skin. It doesn't matter how expensive our foundation, our loose powder, eyeshadow, this and that, how expensive they are. If we don't take care of our skin, it's not going to work. This is me right here. A little bit goes a long way. Please let us take care of our skin. I want to welcome our new subscribers. I want to say thank you. Welcome to the family. This is a family channel. And to all our subscribers, thanks for your continued support. Please don't forget to subscribe, share. If you want to start to make yours, keep on watching. Please don't forget to clean in the area that you're going to work. Use alcohol bleach or window cleaner. And make sure that you wipe up everything. And I'm using glass for everything here. And separate everything that you're using for your DIY from your kitchen. We're going to use two oil. You don't have to, but I just choose to use two oil. I'm going to use sweet almond oil and jojoba oil. I'm going to add the Frankisen and Lavender Essential Oil. And I'm going to use a wax, beeswax. If you use regular beeswax, you might just use 1/4 of a tablespoon. But if you use a Cere Belina wax, it's a little bit in the lighter side. I use a 1 tablespoon. And I've already measured it and I put it in the water to melt. And this is the container we're going to use. And I'm going to transfer the oil into container, just like so. And afterwards, I'm going to mix the wax that I put in the oil to boil. I'm going to mix it together with the oil. When you boil anything, you do double boil, please make sure you wipe it off. Oil and water, they are not friends, they are enemies. And I'm going to put it back because it looks like a cheesy right here, so I'm going to let it melt also, so that way we have a very smooth oil. It's going to take about a couple of minutes, and this is it after 2 minutes. I'm going to turn the gas off and I'm going to let it cool. You see that each time I take off anything, I wipe it off. You don't want the oil and water to mix together. It's going to mess up your product. And I'm going to let it cool before I add our essential oil and extract together. You don't want it to take the benefits of any of your essential oils out. So I'm using Frankisen and lavender oil, 3 drops of each. So when you work on anything, please make sure you separate everything that you use in the kitchen. Don't let all the spicy stuff get into your DIY, especially if you put it into your face. And some of us with sensitive skin. And I add the extract oil and just mix it. And after that, I'm going to let it sit. And this is, if you use regular beeswax, you might have to transfer ASAP because that one is very hard. They harden it quick. The Cere Belina is a little bit in a lighter side, and I just transfer it. And this is our serum right here. This you can apply morning and evening on a very clean face. This will help us, especially some of us who lives in abroad, will transfer from a very harsh winter winds to summer. Let's take care of our skin. Please let us be friends on Instagram, Pinterest at Wrinkle Beauty. And this is me right here. You will look best, look beautiful when you take care of your skin. I want to say thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, share the video. And our product will be available soon. And I will see you guys on the next video.